In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your website name in Wix. If you're looking to give your website a fresh identity or simply need to correct a typo, updating your site name in Wix is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. We'll start from your site dashboard, a familiar space where you can manage all your site settings and make necessary adjustments. First, you'll want to navigate to your site's dashboard. This is essentially the control center for everything related to your website. Once you're logged in and on your dashboard, keep your focus on the top right corner of the page. Right there, you'll notice a small icon that looks like three dots aligned vertically. This icon serves as a More Options menu for your site. Go ahead and click on this three dots icon. This action will reveal a drop-down menu with several options that relate to site management. Within this menu, you're going to look for the option that says Rename Site. This is the feature that allows us to customize how your site is identified, both by visitors and within your own Wix account. Selecting Rename Site will trigger a pop-up window to appear on your screen. Now, this pop-up is quite important because it's where the real magic happens. In the pop-up, you'll see fields that allow you to edit both your site name and the site address URL. The site name is essentially the title that reflects across your Wix environment and can be anything you choose. It's a good idea to pick a name that accurately represents the content or purpose of your site. Additionally, this is the place where you can update your site's URL or web address. Your URL is what users type into their browsers to reach your site, so it's crucial that it's both appropriate and easy to remember. When you change the URL, just be mindful of any external links you might have that direct traffic to your site, as these will need to be updated accordingly. Once you've entered the new name and made any necessary changes to your site address, it's important to double-check everything for accuracy. Ensure there are no typographical errors and that the new name aligns with your vision for the site. When you're satisfied with the changes, you can confirm the updates by saving. And just like that, you've successfully changed your website name on Wix. Remember, making these updates helps maintain the professional appearance of your site and ensures that it continues to reflect any evolving aspects of your brand or personal style. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has made the process clear and manageable.